The VLOOKUP function is part of the lookup and reference function in the Microsoft Excel function library. The VLOOKUP function looks up for a value in the left column of a table and then returns a value in the same row of a column from a column you specify. We want to look up for the product code in the table array J1 to N1 all the way down to N27 and return the value for quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4. So we type the VLOOKUP function is equals to VLOOKUP for this product code, then we lock the column, comma, the table array is bold, so we select the table array here, use F4 to lock that table, then comma, we want column 1. So from this table array, product code will be column 1, Q1 will be column 2, column 3, column 4 and column 5. So we want quarter 1, which is column 2, and range lookup is exact, which is either false or 0. Then we press enter. Now we need to copy these across, but it will give us the same value because we need to change this to column 3. For quarter 3 we change it to 4, and then for quarter 4 we change it to 5. Then we copy this downwards. That will give us, for example, OCL 20 is 210, 372, 106 and 108, which is available here. You can also include the actual, so that the actual column codes or the column value, so that you don't have to type manually. So we're going to add here a new row. Then I'm going to type, instead of the 2 in the column index, I'm going to type 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then we're going to link the value for quarter 1 with this value. So double click, then instead of the 2, I'm going to link it to this, but we'll need to lock the first row, which is B1, which is row number 1. Then I enter, then I update the formula by pasting it across. So you can see this 372 is drawing from the code and the column index. This is OCL 20 and column index 4, and 108 is drawing from OCL 20 and the row number 1. Thanks for watching. My name is David Kandia.